السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي. Welcome everyone to the Quran learning for the beginners. Alhamdulillah, we are in lesson 19 today, and in the lesson 19 we will learn how to read Hamza when carrying a sukoon. Already we know, actually we done in last video. So this lesson 19 actually, so to more clarify about the Hamza, when Hamza carrying a sukoon, how to pronounce it. So basically when Hamza carrying a sukoon, so the letter before it will join with the Hamza straight away, and the sound will make like a hiccup sound and just stopping the breath for a moment. So you can see here the word ya'tikum. So this is a Hamza and Alif is a base of the Hamza. So Ya will join with the Hamza straight away. Ya, Hamza Fatha, Ya. So this is the way to how to make the sound for the Hamza Sukun. Ya'tikum. Ya Hamza Fatha, Ya. Ta kasrati, kaf mim dhammakum. Ya'tikum. Ya'tikum. Then wa'mur. Waw Hamza Fatha, Wa. Mim ra dhamma mur. Wa'mur. Okay, so you should not be confused. I'm saying this one Hamza, this one all Hamza. Okay, so this is, you cannot see that this Hamza shape. Okay, but this is Alif. But we should know this, when Alif carrying any kind of symbols, we will read as a Hamza. Okay, only we can call it Alif when it is empty. If we see its Alif is empty somewhere else in the word, in the Quran, then we will say it's Alif. When Alif will carry any kind of symbols, any tashkils, Hamza, Alif carrying a Fatha, Kasra, Dhamma, Sukoon, anything else, then it will be count as a Hamza. So, Waw ta'tihim. Ta Hamza Fatha ta ya kasra ti, ha mim kasra him. Ta'tihim. Ma'wahum. Ma'wahum. There is another example of Hamza, okay, with Alif shape. Ma'wahum. كأسا كأسا يأبى يأبى نأتي نأتي قرأت قرأت بأس مأكول مأكول. And there are two part of the verses of the Quran, so you can read them. In this verse we can see only Fatha, Dhamma and Sukoon, standing Fatha, no Fathatain, Kasratain, Dhammatain or Tashdid or Shadda. Okay, one of the easy verse of the Quran, actually it's part of the verse. So let's see how you can read them. Fa fatha fa, kha dhamma khu, zal wa dhamma zu. Fa khuzu, ha dhamma hu. Fa khuzuhu. Waw fatha wa, mim fatha empty alif ma, wa ma. Fa khuzuhu wa ma. Nun fatha na, ha standing fatha ha, kaf mim dhamma kum. Nahakum. Fa khuzuhu wa ma nahakum. Then anhu, ain nun fatha an, ha dhammahu, anhu. Fantahu, fa nun fatha fan, ta fatha ta, ha wa dhamma hu. Fantahu, fa joining with nun straight away because nun carrying a sukoon, and this is silent alif, this is silent alif. Okay, fantahu. So فَخُذُوهُ وَمَا نَهَاكُمْ عَنْهُ فَانْتَهُوا. فَخُذُوهُ وَمَا نَهَاكُمْ عَنْهُ فَانْتَهُوا. So first we can try with word by word, okay, and then we will recite the complete verse. فَخُوَا فَتَوَا أَلِفْ ذَا الْكَسْرَ إِذْ وَإِذْ. قاف فتى امتي ألف قا لم فتى لا قال. وإذ قال. ألف با كسرة إب را فتى امتي ألف را إبرا ها يا كسرة هي ميم ضمة مو إبراهيم. Then lam kasra li, alif fatha a, ba ya kasra bi, li abi ha kasra hi, li abihi. Alif standing fatha a, za fatha za, ra fatha ra, azara. وإذ قال إبراهيم لأبيه آزر. وإذ قال إبراهيم لأبيه آزر. وإذ قال إبراهيم لأبيه آزر. So that's all for the lesson 19. Let's practice. If you have any questions, put in the comment box. Inshallah, I'll try to reply. And more practice will make you perfect, inshallah. If you like the video, if the video is helpful, share with your friends and family. If you know anyone need to learn the Quran, anyone in the beginner levels, let's share with them. Inshallah, you will get the reward as well. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.